I welcome you all for our congress, which is on complications in ART. And we are going to start our inauguration function. For this, I would like to call our guest on dais, Professor Zaid Kilani from Jordan. I welcome you on the dais, sir. Professor Amos Baer, Dr. Kedar Parte, Ms. Goral Gandhi, and Dr. Gautam Alabadia. Professor Zaid Kilani is the director of the Farah Hospital, one of the largest institute in the world of infertility treatment. He is the founder and the first president of Jordan Society of Fertility and Genetics. He has been the president of several international congresses held in Jordan. Professor Amos Baer, he is a board member and treasurer of the Israeli Society of Reproduction and Sexual Health. Since 1991, he has been attached as a senior doctor at the Maccabi Health Center in Israel. Dr. Kedar Parte. Kedar Parte is the director of Goa IVF Center. He's been practicing in Goa since 1987. He has, to his credit, the first IVF center in Goa and the first IVF baby in Goa. I welcome him on the dais. Ms. Goral Gandhi. She's been a Congress organizing secretary and been a laboratory director at Rotunda IVF Center at Mumbai. And she has been organizing secretary for several IVF conferences which has been held in the past and today also. Her current research projects are focused on infertility prevention in female patients through egg banking and application of latest vitrification methods to improve and enhance the treatment outcomes. Dr. Gautam Alabadia, I don't think he requires an introduction, but Dr. Gautam Alabadia is a medical director of Rotunda, the world-renowned infertility clinic with 4 branches in Mumbai and India. Throughout his career, Dr. Alabadia has been instrumental in developing new fertility enhancing protocols and propagating the use of ultrasound in embryo transfer. And he has organized several international congresses and was recently nominated as Mumbai's top doc for 2012. Dignitaries on the dais to come down and light the lamp.
Professor Kilani, you don't come down. This is a symbolic lighting of the lamp of knowledge, or the traditional ceremonial lamp lighting ceremony done at all events in India. And we are asking all our guests from abroad who have traveled long distances and volunteered time to come for the dissemination of knowledge in this part of the world. Sudeep and Big Rick, please join us. This just signifies that these teachers are spreading the light of knowledge in this part of the world, and we really thank them from our hearts. They have all volunteered their time to come here, and this is the first conference on this subject on the Indian subcontinent, and a dedicated conference like this on the subject has never been hosted anywhere in the world. It's difficult to assemble a team of panelists to speak on complications, but we finally, managed, and it will be a conference worth archiving as well, because we're going to talk of the aspect of ART that nobody wants to talk about. We all want to talk about success stories, but complications is something that nobody wants to publicly state. Once again, thank all of them. Please give them a big applause.